Whoa. This place feels even more bleak than the last hollow.
Well, it has been a hollow for It's not just dangerous, it's also close to the old capital. Let's just find that.
The proxy said the pile driver isn't far ahead, so it shouldn't take too long to bring it back.
Blind optimism can be dangerous, and after all, the heavy-duty grappler and boring machine we found both experience pretty significant personality changes.
So what if it's changed? It's still our own company's smart machinery.
Target located.
This guy's... Let's find a nearby detour. Quietly.
No problem, boss.
Have we been spotted? Let's get him!
Warning, the target speculation. Please clench your teeth while falling.
Watch out! You're gonna fall into the fissure! Is everyone alright?
I'm alright. We need to figure out a way to get back. Anton, let's go!
Let me deal with it!
Come on! President, time to switch!
Just try me! I'm here!
Is this high enough?
Move along!
Our time to shine, bro! Huh?
Hey! Stop running!
Warning, the target machine speculation. It intends to perform. Starlight Knights never get hit by the same attack.
That old trick again? Cut it out!
You think I'm gonna give up if you push me away again?
Save it, Anton. Tell it in person.
push too hard.
Got it!
Let me deal with it!
You need more rest, Prez. You're still growing.
Will be a better place for us to live. Sister and brother, believe it's a hammer, rage, trigger. We don't
I'll cover you. Just try me.
All right, bro. Together now. Up one.
Burn it all!
Try my
Just wait! When I catch you, I'll...
Oh? You finally understand my hobby, Sweet Pea?
Abandoned building confirmed. There is nowhere for it to go. Master, should I broadcast? Please choose.
Found it! In Hollow Industrial Pile Driver Type 3. Friday!
It's seen us. I wonder what personality this one's gonna have.
No worries. We already convinced two problem children. It's time to hear what this guy has to say.
It's charging at us without even a word?
It's running?
What are you all waiting for? Go after it!
Finally. We cut it off.
Hold it there! We can't let it get away again!
Feel the heat!
Please, be gone!
Opportunity knocks!
Do it now. Back to work.
Let me deal with it! Is this high enough?
My turn! Face me!
I'll cover you. I'll take it.
Down!
the ground!
Give up, Friday! This is the end for you.
This guy's been completely silent this whole time. Maybe his language module is broken?
No way. It can obviously understand us. You ran away with 2 other machines. One was a dude who desires self-fulfillment, the other a young girl passionately in love. What about you? Who are you, and what do you want? What? Don't you have any weird character traits?
How dare you!
Huh?
Traits! Ridiculous! Mere mortals! How dare thee speaketh out! I'm the enlightened sinner! I cometh to stabilize the seal and guard this place on my mentor's charge! Thou...
The enlightened sinner? Stabilize.
I get it.
Enough! Do you have any idea how dangerous it is?
Thou art the unreasonable ones! The seal is weak, and once it is broken, this place shall be devastated! Save me.
Stop right there!
My...
Dodged! Ben, stop him!
If possible, I'd like to solve this piece. I'm sorry,
Great job, bro!
Grace. Now's our chance.
I'm here. Leave it to me. I appreciate your imagination, my child. But
Sis! The seal is breaking. Don't undermine my most wondrous cause! Wait! Let's talk! Stay away!
Turns out this guy can actually talk like a normal person.
Listen, I hear the calling from my mentor horse! I can't fail him!
What's going on? Why is he